Hi, this is Omkar Kapoor and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. Keep watching.
Okay, now Omkar, we are having a bit of a rapid fire with you. So let's do.
This is where I get put on a spot.
No, don't be put on a spot. Just enjoy yourself. I'm sure that you'll enjoy it as well. So rapid fire with Omkar Kapoor. The first question is an actress from Bollywood with whom you'd like to play Holi with.
Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone.
Yes.
Okay.
Lahu muh lag gaya.
Huh?
Lahu muh lag gaya.
Lahu muh lag gaya. Okay, that's interesting. Your best Holi song of Bollywood.
Best Holi song of Bollywood. I think every morning of the Holi of every year, the first thing you hear that song in your bed while you're still asleep is Rang Barse, because that's somewhere playing around in your mohalla building area somewhere. Absolutely. So Rang Barse is something that is.
Okay, your craziest Holi experience.
It was when I woke up and I realized that my friends were already in my room in the morning, on the Holi morning, and they had put color on me. And in my sleep, they have picked up and they have taken me outside and they have dropped me in a drum. So I was woken up with a splash. Yeah, so that's my.
Woken up with a splash. That's very interesting. So Omkar Kapoor, true or false? You have to tell us whether this statement is true or false. My Holi is not complete without a couple of glasses of bhang.
Is false, because I did apparently had once with thinking that it's thandai, because I was tricked into it, and फिर जो मैं झूमा हूँ, so I realized that this is not meant for me. Yeah.
Okay, true or false? Women do get turned on when I apply the deo.
I think true. True.
Men approach me for relationship advice nowadays.
True. Yeah, I do get that.
Okay, if Farah Khan and Sanjay Leela Bhansali offer you a film and the dates of both the films are clashing, which one will you choose?
It's not possible at all. I wish and I hope I reach that position where I get मुझे दोनों हाथ में लड्डू मिल जाए, because I love them both. They've both been my mentors. So if that happens, I'm sure they are also very good friends, na. So they will adjust. I'm sure. I'm telling you. I'm sure about that.
Besides Farah and Mr. Bhansali, who's the director you're dying to work with?
There's a long list. Yeah. It doesn't start. I mean, there are so many directors which every year I've seen a film and I've said he's the director I want to work with. There's been so many. Imtiaz Ali, Raju Hirani, Anurag Basu, R. Balki, Anurag Kashyap, Sriram Raghavan, Shamit Amin, all these great directors, and the way they tell their stories. I think I want to do all of them. It's मेरे पास एक bucket list में लेके चल रहा हूँ. I wish to keep doing that in my life. Yeah.
Great. A film of recent times you wished you had done.
A film in recent Badlapur. I feel that it was a phenomenal film and a phenomenal story, and I think Varun did a fantastic job in it. But I just wish to do something like that. I don't know. Probably.
Great.
That.
The last film you walked out of midway.
Last film that I walked out in midway. I walked out in my own trial, because I had seen the film a lot of times.
Very safe. Okay, so, very smart. Who was the best Khan with whom you have worked? Shah Rukh, Salman or Amir?
मुझे मरना है. ये फरीदुन मतलब क्या यार, फरीदुन ऐसे क्यों करते हो यार? मेरी शुरुआत हो रही है. मैं अभी 3 ये दिग्गज पिलर्स हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री के. अब एक ना एक के नीचे मैं पिस जाऊंगा. आप क्या करेंगे?
Okay, what would you do in the following situations, Omkar Kapoor? If Varun Dhawan opts out of Judwaa 2 and you are offered the lead part, what would you do?
I did Judwaa 1, so I would do Judwaa 2 for sure.
Okay. You find yourself falling for a girl like Kusum in real life?
Well, after I've done Panchnama 2 and I've experienced a Kusum in my life, so there is no chance that I can fall for someone like a Kusum. because I decided the ultimatum by the end of the film only. So no chance for me to fall like for someone like this.
Okay, so I must say that Omkar Kapoor has been quite sporting as far as the rapid fire is concerned, and he's not taking the obvious questions, so that's understandable as well. So Omkar, wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hungama, and looking forward to your future performances. I'm sure that you'll do extremely well, and we hope that you continue being the fun-loving and down-to-earth person that you are. I think which is very very likable. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Farid.
Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.